So we had a windstorm along with rain last night, and everything is turned over. Let's take a look at the garden. Yikes, my canopies fell down. This one withstood. There's just stuff everywhere. I'll pick up this afternoon because I have got to get myself to work today. Oh no. Oh goodness. Yikes. Check this out. Tore it in half. Oh goodness. We'll see what other damages there are, but looks like this one's okay. It didn't break my plant, so I'm good with this one. Okay, good. Let's just get going. Oh, goodness. Oh, there's the garden. We had a lot of rain last night, which is good for this desert area. I will check the gauge and see how the gauge is doing, how much rain we had. Let's take a walk to the rain gauge real quick. We'll take a picture. Ooh, there's spider webs everywhere. Okay, let's see. Yay. Oh my gosh, we had 1.5 inches. Look at that.